We've been delivering our portable lighting tools to the U.S. military for over 15 years. In fact, they're standard issue for all Army combat medics and combat lifesavers. During this COVID outbreak, we're pretty reluctant to be promoting ourselves, but we feel that our products have a superior capability and a high level of versatility that can allow service members to operate more safely in low-light environments, regardless of what they may be wearing or what they might be doing. For example, our TORQ Med delivers very bright white light, along with various secondary colored LED options, including a red-green mix that highlights blood. You can use our TRS MOLLE mount to mount the light directly to your chest. This allows for adjustability up or down to put the light where it's needed. When donning personal protective equipment, we can still mount the light to the chest using a simple duct tape rig, which allows the light to be taken on and off easily and the mount removed to dispose of the coverall. TORQ Med also provides the option of a rubberized steel clip to provide additional mounting options when wearing the standard duty uniform. TORQ Med can be wiped down, sprayed with disinfectant, or immersed and brushed in bleach water for sanitation. For those fighting against the coronavirus, I would ask that you would consider TORQ Med as a valuable addition to your equipment set for whatever your mission may be during this crisis. We urge commanders to take inventory of their combat lifesaver bags to ensure that their soldiers have access to this critical set of capabilities. TORQ Med is categorized as a medical device with Defense Logistics Agency and has a national stock number. In addition, it is stocked and available through the National Guard's Medical Material Warehouse in Minnesota. Our sole objective is to provide you with enhanced performance and safety when working in harm's way.